All right, guys, welcome to this section. On this section, we'll be looking into how to use A to Z or AZ screen recorder, right? So you can go to Play Store. If you don't have it, go to your Play Store and download it. So once you go to Play Store, just type A to Z or AZ screen recorder, right? So by the time you click on AZ screen recorder, you should have something like this. If you have something like this, right? This is the app. This is the app. You have something like this, right? Now, the app has pro version, but with the free version, you can equally do something with it. So once you are done downloading, you just open it. You open the screen, you can see these are some videos that I've done using uh, this particular using this particular app, right? So now what do you do next? For yours, you may not have it this way, may not have all this place may be empty, right? They may be empty, no big deal about that. The most important thing is you know how to record with it. So to record with it, you just click on this icon here, this icon at the bottom here that is showing a video icon here. Is this so slow? All right, so you click on this icon here, this icon, right? So once you click on it, or let me bring out some tools. Okay, let me leave it. I'll click on it. The moment I click on it, it will start recording, right? It will start recording, and you can see it's showing the number of seconds, right? So to get started, you just have to click and it will start recording. So anything you do on this screen will be displayed, right? Let me stop it so that you see the video. So to stop it, I'll just click on the icon, either on this one at the bottom here or on this thing that I'm actually swinging. That's what I'm using to control it. So I'll just click on it and you can see there is pause at the top, there is stop, and there's another icon beneath it, which is settings. On that settings, you can screenshot what you are doing. If you click screenshot, it's going to screenshot whatever it is you are doing. So in a section or in a moment where maybe you are recording video live and you discover something, you can screenshot it using the app. Then the other option here is what? Camera. Maybe I want to activate my camera now. I can put it on. Can you see? That's camera at the top, right? And I can show my screen, show my face. So if you are recording and you want to show your face using your phone, you can do it that way. And you can also increase, you can reduce it or rotate it. So you just tap the camera, click on this icon here, this one here. Then you'll be able to drag it. You drag it in or drag it out. If you drag it out, it will increase. If you drag it in, it will be reduced. Can you see? So this way I can do it and use this to do what? Corner screen. So if I'm doing a recording using maybe Canva, for instance, if I go to Canva now and I go to that very PowerPoint, that power presentation we earlier did, I can decide to do something unique with it, right? I can decide to do something unique with it and have it done in a way that it will display, right? If I'm powering it this way, for instance, if I'm doing it this way and I decide to maybe turn my screen this way, I can turn the screen this way, right? Okay, something is happening to our screen up there. Okay, okay. So if this is the phone, we'll have it this way, right? We'll have it shaped this way, we'll have it shaped this way. You can see. Now, if I want to start recording now, I can I can do a faceless video like this. You can see this video at the left hand side here to show my screen. So I'm using my phone to display myself. So I can either put it to the right hand side or to the left hand side or anywhere I want it, right? I can just hide it there and start recording, right? I can start recording. So this way, you are doing a corner screen recording with your mobile phone, right? So I can start recording and my screen will be recording every activity on my phone. So that after the recording, I can start editing the video the way I want, right? I can start editing it the way I want. So that is that on how to use uh what's it called, to record and also set up on screen recording. Let's go back to, okay, so now if I decide to, I can decide to deactivate it or rotate it. Can you see? I just rotate it and I change it to my front camera. That's what I just did. Can you see? I just change it to my front camera. I can do that while screen recording. Maybe I am live showing people some stuff. I can decide to do the front camera to show them something if I want. You can use A to Z to achieve that, right? And if I want to remove it, I can click on this icon at the top here, this X, to remove what? The camera, the display camera on it, so that it will just be faceless video recording. So it is a camera now that will determine the facelessness or the corner screen video recording type. Then after that, I can stop it, right? Still on that tool, this tool that brought this, I'll use according to, but you can see this brush. You can see we have a brush here. You can see that we have a brush here, right? You can activate the brush. And what are you going to be doing with the brush? If you look here, you see, look at what I'm doing on the screen. It's the function of the brush. Or I can delete it, or I can use it to, I can change the color and the size of what I want to achieve with maybe I want to circle something so that people will see, to demonstrate something on my screen. I can use it that way. This is basically to what? To maybe draw an attention to something that is happening, right? Let me deactivate it, right? And you can cancel it. You can close it anytime. You can close it anytime. Then the moment I close that option, you can see I still have another tool at the left hand side here. That's what? The brush tool. So if I click on it now, you can see it's activated. If I delete, I click on the X, it will be removed and this will display here at the side here, right? And I can use it to point out whatever it is I want to do. The same way I'm using this one to do, I can use this to do it, right? Or I can deactivate it, click on it, deactivate, and it will not appear on the screen, right? Likewise, the camera activation and so on. So once you are done recording, you can just click on this stop, you can click on stop, and that will be the end of the video. And you can proceed to edit the video to your taste or do any other thing you want to do with the video so that it can work best for you and for your presentation, right? So on the next video, we are going to be looking into how we can use OBS as a beginner to record our screen, the screen of our device like our laptop, because this one we did now is how to screen record using your mobile phone. So the next video is going to be on how to screen record using what? Your laptop.